This will be a short video of using a new old stock Cutler-Hammer AC manual starter. I purchased this with a whole boatload of magnetic starters and manual starters at an auction. A lot of them were used and some of them were new old stock. So this one was in the box, never been used. And so it's got all of its all the diagrams on the back cover, and then I'm installing it on this Delta Unisaw. This one is rated for single phase 230 volts up to 3 horsepower, or 115 volts up to 1.5 horsepower. With these they have heaters. This was the overload protection back in the day. And in our little chart here on the side, you just figure out what your full load amps are on the motor and get the heater that's the closest size to that. And the heaters on this one, since it's single phase, there'll be one overload protection here on this little connection here, and it'll just be a coil that wraps around this element here, and that'll provide overload protection. And I'm just wiring up the motor, T1 and T2, and then L1 and L2 will go to the outlet, all out of ground for safety. And this will be pretty much a robust new old stock starter for this Delta Unisaw, and it'll fit very well with the era and the style. That Cutler-Hammer control logo there, very similar to the style of the red and black Delta Rockwell logo. Looks like from the box this was made, stamped in 1964 right there. So that's perfect for this Delta Unisaw from 1960.